started because, stuff that I did that was to hang around and the train just came unexpectedly, I was like, this ran to the point, catch it. Starting train on 2, constant full red signal, but the Tibetan train is doing about 8 minutes. We're coming on platform of 1 soon as well.
Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
Most of those signals will stay red until further notice. I will probably film this film. The passing ones go by, then head back onto the bridge to film the remaining suburban train on 2. I can still hear that one. When I first finished my job, my car, I was down there, somewhere around there, and I just came up. I was just down there, saw the train and quickly rushed up the stairs to see it. It was quite short, actually, maybe only about 25 carriages. So yeah, don't know why the signal remains red. That water tower from before, not on camera, should have crossed over to the main suburban tracks now. Alright, we just did 2 changes, 3 in the ratio time. First from red over red and a little green, then to green over red, and then green over yellow. The one behind it is still green over red. So this one has changed as well. These passing trains might come early. Best way. Oh god, that's green already. And the tree into Mori Explorer. No way. Is it the Mori Explorer? Yes, it is. It took you quite a long train this time. The Explorer did not try and trip you right, but it is now coming. So now actually have it on a good platform. Let's see. Okay, it's going quite slow. Oh, the ex-Endeavour car! Good that we got that. There's also an Oscar going to Newcastle. Right, now that's gone, we'll head back onto the bridge. There's some kind of track work on the T9, piece of the track works on the North Shore for my, say, central to that's the only way to get to Browse by here, so you can't get back into the North Shore. Also,
Please change trains at Central Platform number 17 for a train to Wynyard. Buses are operating both directions between Wynyard and Hornsey. Thank you.
So basically what I was I don't know what I was saying. There's a little green, mostly because of a colour diversion track from like the interseat or down the track. And I was just going to take it now. Good. Wait till green, then stop it. Okay, it's during 1 minute. I guess I'll just stay here until it comes. 1 minute for the Hornsby train. I guess I'll stay here and sell for into 1 minute. It's now interview. The train can definitely safely pass because of the dive. Oh. Alright, that started away. It's like probably always in minutes. Alright, all time is coming in here. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not making any time. I'll probably use one of the extras from the Explorer to my actual video face, but you'll see that. What did I Eastwood? A80 newest water, even though it's still like 10 years old. Right, this is the Hornsby service. This service is actually still quite congested. The main reason is D6 carriages D64AG.
Doors closing, please stand clear.
And I really need a picture of a water, as I imagine in mine was wrong. Right now. I'm guessing the signal for platform 3 stays red all the time. But I'll be in about 13 minutes. Oh wait. It's either okay. That might be arriving soon. Like about 3 minutes, but we haven't got the time. And if it does come, I'll just be off. This does stop. Our train is not interview, so let's go. I really wish visas were on the weekend on the Central Coast. Yeah, I really like this. Also, the closure of the North Shore has made the Strathfield station even more successful. It's on the train that's Strathfield. The metro, the trains. Metro is not track work, metro is just testing work, city metro, city of Southwest. And I don't know what's what anyway, fine.